making horny wells.
People think Horny Wells is good, but he's trash.
He's horrible. I've used one pawn, he's used 3.
I think my subs would get mad if I put this in a fucking pack in my pack bundle.
No, they think it's funny. Why would they get mad at that?
I'm actually just gonna use this in the next like 10 videos just for jokes.
I'm prowling toward you and respeeding, Philip. Oh, alright. Let me know if we won. Let me know if we won.
He got cocked.
How many pots did you have left?
2 rows. 2 rows, and I don't know if I picked up pots off of him, but
He had like 3 or 4 when he died.
how do you know?
Because I saw them.
Oh, okay. Well, I had 2 rows then.
Philip, don't hit him like that. No pots.
Really?
Oh.
Oh,
He dropped.
he had pots?
Yeah, he had 2.
Horny wells had 4 pots.
User left your channel.
I literally beat him with 4 or 2 rows. Matched him more, so I'm practice 1!
He just said I cheat.
Wait, I'm gonna give him more of the TS.
He's saying I cheat!
Really?
Who is?
Derpy!
That's funny. Cereal?
He's like, yeah, you're on a whitelisted client list. Like, no, I'm not.
I just think a guy has like repeat the sword, GG him fucking remaking it.
You probably could. It's not